La Bamba by Craig Fernandez in his own version. How did it feel, judges? Please say something about this performance.
Beautiful, beautiful. And you were all over the stage. You were looking everywhere, and I think he deserves a big round of applause, guys. Come on.
Thank you.
A performer when he's on stage or she's on stage, what he wants or she wants is all the love and appreciation, and that's what you did, man. You were amazing. You are glowing. Everything was. Even asking this guy how is he doing it, but you were doing live. I thought that was a tape or that was a
it was live. Absolutely.
That's live. La Bamba Bamba. Sabka khada kar diya khamba. Amazing, amazing, man.
An amazing song. Thank you very much, and thank you for that lovely performance. All the best.
Thank you.
Moving on to the 13-year-old Faith